Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your Epic Games account to your PlayStation Network account. First, log into epicgames.com and then after logging in, navigate the site until you see your display name in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this display name and then click the account tab. After clicking it, you will see the account interface and the sidebar here. Scroll down a little in the sidebar until you see your apps and accounts. In the apps and accounts, you will see PlayStation Network icon here and a connect button. Click the connect and click the connect account. And that's it. As you can see, it has been successful in connecting or linking our account. Now, let's head back in just to confirm if it was really connected. As you can see here, it was really connected. And that is how you can link your Epic Games account to your PlayStation Network account, and thank you for listening.